Dear students, today we read or we learn how to change an active voice into passive voice in simple future tense. Okay? Today at first we know the formula of active voice and passive voice in simple future tense. You see the first picture. Active, inactive at first, subject, then shall or will plus verb plus object. So in this format a sentence is written in active voice in simple future tense, and we use in passive voice in simple future tense. At first we all know that as per the rule object is changed into subject in passive voice. So the first write the object, then shall or will plus another be is extra added, and then third form of main verb or past participle form plus by, it is an agent or preposition, and after that subject. Which subject? Subject of the active verb. Okay, in this formula a passive voice is created in simple future tense. Now we come to the main point, the rule of changing the voice in simple future tense. You see the sentence in active voice, she will accept the offer. It is in the active voice, and if we want to change it into passive, what we will do? At first you see the subject in this sentence. Subject is she, verb is will accept, and object is the offer. So at first we write the offer as subject in passive voice. The offer becomes the subject, and then with it will be. Here will be is the be verb, and with it accepted, the third form or past participle form of the main verb, which is accept in the active voice, and here in passive voice it becomes accepted, the third form. And with it by, it is an agent or preposition, and after that object. Object is here her, which is in the subject in active voice she, as he is a pronoun, so it is changed into her. So the whole passive form is the offer will be accepted by her. I think you all get it. Thank you. Now we give another example. The sentence is, he will write a letter. It is in the active form, and if we want to change it into passive, at first what we will do? We write a letter as the subject. As you all see that in the active voice, subject is he, will write is verb, and a letter is object. So in the passive we first write a letter as subject. After that will be, that is be verb in simple future tense. After that written, third form or past participle form of the main verb. What is the main verb in active voice? Write. Yes. So written is the third form or past participle form of write. With it by, an agent or preposition is added. After that object is added. So what is object here? Him. Which is the subject in active voice? He. He is the subject, and in passive voice it changed into object. As he is a preposition, so it is changed into him. So the whole form is, a letter will be written by him. Okay, and as our previous classes we also know a negative sentence in passive voice. We learn how to change passive voice in or voice change in a negative sentence. Now I write the sentence, he will not write a letter. He will not write a letter. Here he is subject, will not verb, negative verb, write, will not write negative verb, a letter object. So if we change it into passive voice, at first we write a letter which becomes a subject in the passive voice. With it will not be. As you see in the previous classes, in this format, negative sentence is written. Will is the be verb and with it not be. Written. Written is the third form or past participle form of write. With it by an agent or preposition, and him. Him is here object which is subject in the active voice he. So he is changed into him. So I think you all get it. You all very clearly understand the whole process. Thank you.